This video, I'm going to show you how to fix Peacock TV error 111. So if you're seeing this error, the Peacock TV 111 error, it generally means that the app or the device is unable to load the video content. So what you can do to fix this is, firstly, the basic thing is check your internet. Okay, ensure that your network connection is stable and fast. Okay, so just check that. So go to your internet connection and see if you have a stable, whether you're connected to a Wi-Fi and you have a stable internet connection. Okay, and if you're using Wi-Fi, try to restart your router as well. That might help. Okay, and then apart from that, so what we can do, you can also like relaunch your app. So you can simply close your app. Okay, if it's not loading, just exit your app and then completely close it and then relaunch it again and see if that fixes up the issues. And also what you can do is look for any updates. So go to your device Play Store, App Store, and see if there is any update. If there's an update, just update your app. And also, if you're using these Peacock outside US, or if you're using any VPN, just see. And because sometimes the Peacock blocks VPNs as well, so just keep that in mind, and also try to turn off the VPN if it's possible. Just do that and disable the VPNs. Okay, and also what you can do, you can try to clear the app's cache as well. So if you click on your, go to your app and go to your app data or your app settings. If you go to your app settings, and what you can do, go to your storage option and then try to clear your cache and data and relaunch the app, and most probably that should fix up the issue, as long as you have a good internet connections and no VPN issues.